Welcome to this tutorial on monitoring real-time parameters using ZF MultiScan. First, connect ZF MultiScan DCI to the vehicle. Once plugged in, it pairs instantly with the software. After completing a vehicle scan, select a system, such as the engine, and open the Real-Time Data tab. Here you'll find a list of available parameters. Let's focus on inlet air temperature. Within seconds, ZF MultiScan retrieves real-time data from the ECU. To save it, simply click the camera icon to add the parameter value to your report. You can even visualize the data trend on a real-time graph. Just click the graph icon at the bottom of the screen. If needed, add the graph to your report with one click on the camera icon again. Need to monitor multiple parameters simultaneously? No problem. Navigate to the real-time data page using the menu on the left. For this vehicle, there are 94 parameters available. You can select several specific parameters to compare. To do this, select a parameter from the list and click the right arrow to add it to your selection. Once you've chosen all the parameters you need, create a data list to monitor them in parallel. This feature is especially useful for spotting interdependencies between parameters and diagnosing complex issues. That's how you can monitor, analyze, and save parameter data using ZF DCI MultiScan. Give it a try and see how it can streamline your diagnostic process.